Hello friends, welcome to our channel Yoga the Healthy Way of Living.
Today we are going to do some yoga poses to increase hamstring flexibility.
Let's start the video.
Ardha Hanumanasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Raise yourself up on your knees. Place your right leg straight out in front with your heels on the ground. Keep your back straight. Make sure your toes are pointing straight up. Hold this position for a while. And repeat the same practice from your left leg. Janu Sirsasana. Sit in Dandasana. Fold your left leg and place it on the inner thigh of the right leg. And bend forward. And try to hold your toe of right leg with your hands. Hold this position for a while. And come up to the initial position. Now inhale and raise your hands. Then exhale and bend forward. Try to hold your toe of right leg with your hands. Hold this position for a while. And come up to the initial position. And relax for a couple of seconds. And repeat this practice with stretching left leg. Ardha Mayurasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Raise yourself up on your knees. Keep your forearms on the floor. Now raise your spine and buttocks as you tuck your toes and keep your legs straight. Hold this position for a while. Come back to the initial position. Supta Padangushthasana. Lie on your back, legs straight and hands by your sides. Inhale and raise the right leg to 90 degrees. Raise your arms and interlock the fingers and try to hold the leg. Bring your leg close to your body and try to hold your big toe. Keep the left leg stretched on the floor. Hold this position for a while. Bring down to the initial position and repeat this with stretching the left leg. Parivritta Upavishtha Konasana. Sit in Dandasana. Open the legs wide apart. Stretch sideways toward the right leg and try to hold your big toe with your right hand. Lift the left arm up over the head. Try to expand your chest. Hold this position for a while. Come back to the initial position. Repeat the same practice from other side.
Now we will meet on next Saturday. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.